Imagine yourself in this 2009 BMW 3 Series. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, rear AC, passenger vanity mirror, power door locks, trip computer, and rear bench seat. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.